Hello, my name's Janet, and I just wanted to make you a very short video about EFT and the tapping points before we meet in your first session. So please don't worry, you won't have to learn the tapping points off by heart because I will always show you where to tap. So EFT stands for Emotional Freedom Technique, and we also call it tapping. It's very like acupuncture, but there are no needles. And it's used to clear unwanted negative emotion and unwanted physical sensations in the body. So we start off with tapping on the side of our hand here on the fleshy part. You can use 2 or 3 fingers, sometimes 4. And we'll tap here, we'll decide on a setup statement together, which will be based on your words. And we will repeat that 3 times. And then we'll check on the intensity of the emotion or physical sensation that you're experiencing. Then we come to the top of the head, which is just here on the crown. And as you can see, how many fingers? I'm using 4 fingers. You can use 2 fingers, 3 fingers, 4 fingers, whatever feels best to you. You can tap as quickly or as slowly as you want to. Then we move to the inside of the eyebrow, just here. That's the eyebrow point. Then we move to the side of the eye, the bony part here. Then we move to under the eye, cheekbone. You can tap with both hands, with one hand. If your arm gets tired halfway through, you can switch over. There are no rules. Whatever feels best. Then we move to under the nose. Just here you can use 1 finger or 2 fingers. Then we move to the chin, just here, the crease. Then we come to the collarbone. So just here there's like a dip. If you put your finger here, you'll feel a dip. Come along your collarbone, just down a few centimeters, and you tap here. And you can use both hands, or you can make a C shape and tap with just one hand if that feels better. Then we come to under the arm, which is literally just a hand's breadth under your armpit, just here. And you can tap. You can tap on both sides. It's quite nice because it feels like a hug. You can make fists with your hands and just tap under here. I don't know if you see very well. Then we move to the wrist, which is, you can use 3, 4, 2, I use 3, the wrist. Then we come to the finger points. So the finger points, what you're looking for is you're looking to tap here. So it's the inside part of where the nail of your fingernail. So you're going to tap on your thumb, your first finger, middle finger, index finger, ring finger, and little finger. And that's called a cycle. And once we've done a cycle, we take a couple of deep breaths, ground ourselves again, and we check in on the intensity of the emotion or physical sensation that you're experiencing. And that is basically what the tapping points are. So I am really looking forward to meeting you in our first sessions. And until then, take care.